Hey guys, dfscript3 is out, so I wanted to show you some of the features that it has and some things that you need to pay attention to. First off, back up your C drive dfscript folder config.ini if you want to continue using the old script, because this one needs to create its own, so you don't want the old one in there. It won't delete the old one, but if you have the old one in there and it's not renamed, it won't create the one that it needs for this particular script. So just rename it or delete it, one of the two. So the next thing I want to show you is obviously, well, you don't have to have any particular preset. You can have any preset you want. So you can have 3 different keybinds. The script will automatically know which one you're using and which spells are in what slot. Then obviously you have to change your left action trigger and your right action trigger to something other than the default button 0 and button 1. So I got left bracket and right bracket. And another must is activate quick item number 5 is going to be your mount key, just like the previous script. And then there's one more that I want to show you real quick. Okay, it's select left radial menu. This can be whatever you want, but I highly suggest it does not have Alt, Shift, or Control in it. And I will show you why in just a second. Like mine automatically switched to left Alt 3 because of another keybind that I changed earlier. And the reason why, okay, one of the features of this script is that it actually clears the left radial if a spell is on cooldown. The reason why it does that is if it's one of those annoying things, if you're running around, you select a spell and it doesn't work, and so you just continue fighting, and then when the cooldown goes off, it fires off when you least expect it because you weren't paying attention to it being in there. So my script actually clears the left radial slot. So every time you do an instacast, it won't do it on regulars, but anytime you do an instacast on the left-hand side, if that spell is on cooldown, it's going to clear it, and which is a good thing. So I'm going to instacast my whirlwind. Now I'm going to hit it again. It's on cooldown, so it cleared it. Now the downfall to having an alt in here is this. If I hit that and then a button directly afterwards, it's going to be just like hitting Alt plus that button. So I did a click there, and it starts to open my GUI. If you have a spell on tab, like say you hit a spell that's on cooldown and it hits Alt and hit tab, it's going to do an Alt tab and switch screens on you. So what you just need to do is find a key that you don't use and select right left radial menu. I'm going to do F2. It's not being used. And just do this a couple times, make sure it works. Then I can go like this. There, now it's loaded. You notice I had to do the escape thing again to make sure that it was loaded properly. And now I'm not getting that screen toggle error. So nothing to worry about there. It's all good. Oh, just so you know, that wasn't actually on cooldown. It's because when I hit escape, it resets the script and all that stuff. So it thought I cast the spell when it was already on cooldown, etc., etc., etc. But the timer's working, everything. So let me show you the features real quick. So you go down here after you get the game running, you get all your keybinds going or whatever. You don't even, most of you already have them set anyway. You can right click on this, go to keybind options, and you're going to select which class you want to use. Doing warrior for demonstration because all the spells can be instacast. And then so you select which ones you want instacast and which ones you don't. I'll say all of them except for number 2. So everything can be instacast except for my number 2 spell. And these just obviously just correlate to, you know, number 1, number 2, number 3, and then you got your right 1, right 2, etc., etc. Close that. It resets the script. You're ready to rock and roll. I hit E, it instacasts. I hit my spell number 2, it does not instacast, which is exactly what you want for any type of skirmisher, archery, anything you have to aim, you know, spells, etc. And let's see, what else is there? Let me go back in here just to make sure there's any other keybind options that are new. No, other than just selecting your class and then choosing which one of these. That's pretty much it. Test it out for me. The cooldowns I have are all the basic skills for all the classes. So I have all of these on cooldown. and I have. I'm pretty sure. I don't know if I got disabling blow and stuff. If I did, good. If I don't, then I'll fix it here in the next day or so. But I know for sure that I have like all the transfers, the heal self, and then all the main attacks and buffs for each of the classes. I don't have any of the ultimates. I don't actually own any ultimates. So if somebody wants to help out, I can tell them how to get the key codes for that, and then just time it for me from start of cast to end of cooldown. And I don't like have heal mount either. I just really haven't had time to play, so between writing the script in school, which heal mount's a big one for me because I think it's just ridiculous that you can kill your mount while you're trying to heal the son of a bitch. In any case, that's what I have at the moment. Test it out, see if you like it, and sign up, ahkgaming.com. Catch you guys later.